Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Where is that cute teddy bear? There he is. एक बार जितेश पिल्ले के लिए आवाज करो, public. Yeah.
Thank you. Can I request all my media friends to kindly get...
ऐसे ब्लैक वेलवेट केक लग रहा है, ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक लग रहा है, खा जाऊं मैं इस पेस्ट्री ब्लशेस. सॉरी ख्याति, इट्स ऑल यू बेब. मेरे हाथ में माइक आ जाता है ना फिर.
No, but we love that you take it off. Thank you.
As you've noticed, we've tried to make it from it just being a TV show to actually being a live entertainment spectacle. You've seen that, which is why all of our acts have been performing live over the last 2-3 years. In an effort to continue to make it grander, we obviously try and get the best in the entertainment industry to be a part of the show and to perform. It gives me, therefore, great joy to... Ranveer is now very much a part of the Filmfare family. He did an amazing job performing last year at Filmfare, and it's our pleasure to actually have him as our showstopper for the awards this year. And he's going to be headlining the event. We're very excited to see what he pulls off, and I can only imagine that it'll be in his true Ranveer style, and we can't wait to see what you're going to be doing. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to Vimal, who's come on board as our title partner for the first time, and we look forward to having a very fruitful association with you. Also like to thank Nina and Colors for extending us the support, ensuring that this award gets prominent place. A couple of other mentions. I think we're also excited that we're going to be renewing our partnership with Facebook and Twitter. For those of you who may not know, last year, for example, during the awards, the show trended live globally, which is a matter of great pride for us. And I think the partnership with Twitter and Facebook will ensure that the awards reach out to a much, much larger audience. For those of you who have questions about nominations, we're not going to be talking about nominations now, but they will be available on our website by tomorrow evening, so you can please check them out. Without further ado, thank you once again for coming.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. May I request Mr. Jitesh Pillai to kindly share a few words with us?
Shouldn't I have the last word? So quickly, I have to say I feel like a proud parent whenever I meet Ranveer Singh, because not because I'm much younger to him, but he won the debut award some seven years ago, and he completely stormed the scene and stole our hearts. And it's been a very, very special association. Filmfare has always celebrated excellence, and Ranveer is part of that excellence. And I have seen his personal growth from his little MI number in Band Baja Barat to his absolutely smashing. I have no words to talk about his performance in Gully Boy, which is the latest release. And I have seen like a complete phenomenal growth of an actor. And you know, it's like waves lapping a seashore. Sometimes there are actors who act, and there's Ranveer Singh who's completely transforms himself into some other beast altogether, whether it's physically, whether it's emotionally. So I have been extremely privileged to see him perform. This is my 20th year at Filmfare, so you're allowed to clap for me. And
Whoa.
ये तू रुलाएगा पगले रुलाएगा तू मुझे
and
एक तो लांबा जी आप कबाब में हड्डी क्यों बन रहे I want to sit next to this teddy bear.
so
Can I also may I also say something about you, Jitesh? I have nothing to say, but this is one of my favorite people that I have had the privilege of knowing since the beginning of my career. After I entered the entertainment business, I have rarely ever met somebody who is so warm, so kind, so genuine, and so real. मतलब अच्छा है तो जितेश आपको फ्रैंकली बताएगा भाई अच्छा किया, खराब किया, कोई गलती की वो भी बता देगा. So when he says proud parent, he really means it. He is like I don't know, father figure or big brother figure, or he has माँ की ममता in him for me. And
this is about Filmfare also. FYI.
oh, I thought आपने ऐसे ही बुलाया था. हम तो चले आए. Jits, are we gonna have a cracker of a show?
Yeah,
I have a
absolutely.
feeling we're gonna have a cracker of a show. Madam, mass entertainment, I am your man. We are going to have a cracker of a show. Sir, देखना आप एकदम proud हो जाओगे. I'm very, very excited to be performing at the Filmfare Awards. I met the amazing Shamak Dawar just a couple of days ago. And we had a very long and extensive meeting about putting up this amazing spectacle. And I met Mr. Bhansali today. And he also asked me, what are you performing? And are you going to perform Khalli Balli? And I said, yes, sir. He's like, that means, you better do a good job. So yeah, I'm very excited for my performance. I love performing live. And I am very, very, very charged up about this year's Filmfare Awards. And yeah, I've got something quite exciting in store. Madam, you will love it.
Definitely, we all will be waiting for it. Now, may I request Mr. Anil Verma, Group Marketing Head, Vimal Group, to say a few words.
हाँ मौसम है.
तो अंग्रेजी में बात करें, हिंदी है तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि होता रहेगा. और फिल्म फेयर तो सबके जहन में बसता है. हिंदुस्तान जो है वो फिल्मों का भूखा है, और आम आदमी जो है वो फिल्म आई एम श्योर ये बम्बई नगरी जो है ये बड़ी मायावी है, और फिल्म फेयर से बढ़िया कोई शायद मेरे ख्याल से कोई फोरम नहीं है. सो आई बिलीव दिस इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक एसोसिएशन विद फिल्म फेयर. और अगर मैं थोड़ा ब्रांड की भाषा में बात करूं तो सबके ज़ुबान पे अगर फिल्मी है तो हमारी ज़ुबान में केसरी है. क्या कहते हैं, बोलो ज़ुबान केसरी.
अरे सर,
सो वेरी प्राउड टू बी
अजय
एसोसिएटेड.
देवगन ने बोल दिया.
हाँ तो सबने बोल दिया, भाई ने बोल दिया, सबने बोल दिया.
सिंघम.
So it's an outstanding opportunity for the brand. I'm sure this is a great connect with the audience, and the kind of product Filmfare is and the kind of product Vimal is. It's going to be very messy and it's going to be very, very popular and hit. I'm sure this is going to be a fantastic relationship for years. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very happy to be.
अवार्ड शो, ऐतिहासिक मास एंटरटेनमेंट वाला चैनल कलर्स. राजनायक साहब को मेरा सलाम देना.
With this, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be opening the, of course, ground for Q&A, but we'll respect that if you keep the questions to Filmfare, movies, and Ranveer Singh. Yes? So here we open the ground for Q&A.
I'm also the moderator of the session. So,
Yes.
and we are running
How are you a moderator? I'd like to know. You're an extremist. How are you moderate?
because
By any?
I thought you had a flight to catch and you were doing
I've
120
got
things.
nothing to do.
Okay.
Jitesh, I'm
Wow.
all yours.
So Ranveer, while he may say that, is running awfully short of time. So I would please request you to keep your questions to Filmfare. Any uneasy questions, I will take the liberty of cutting you short and
Okay.
saying no asking questions. So may I also seize the opportunity to ask you the first question?
जी हाँ, sir.
So please tell me your first waking Filmfare moment.
बोले तो
Your first Filmfare award moment. Like
Filmfare
when you-
award moment.
Yeah. Before your debut. On TV and
I think my most memorable moment, Filmfare moment, there are a couple. When I first saw my first cover, I mean, that was huge for me because Filmfare has a legacy, Filmfare has a history. Filmfare, like ma'am very rightly said, is the gold standard. And so, you know, it's a dream to be on the cover of Filmfare. It's been graced by, I mean, titans of show business. And, you know, to be there. And I remember so clearly we shot, you know, at Le Meridian with Abhay Singh. And I was just like, I was like, damn excited. And when the cover came out, you know, to read that tagline, which I remember ever so vividly, it was a trip. It was a trip. I could hardly believe it. It was like a dream come true. You remember it? I can't say it myself. Singh is king. So, Ranveer Singh takes the industry by storm. Byline, boom, man, that's a dream come true. I mean, first film, received so much love. I made it to the cover. I won the debut award. And then I won, and then this, which brings me to my other most memorable moment, was winning Best Actor for Bajirao Mastani, for Peshwa Bajirao. I mean, that was just a magical night. Deepika, my wife, had won the same night for Piku. So to win with her in the same year was very, very special for me. Special for our whole family, who was seated there. My mom, my sister, my dad, her folks, her sister, they were all present. It was unforgettable. And then Rekha ji handed me the award. And you know who was sitting in the first row? Was the man who I wanted to be growing up. Amitabh Bachchan was sitting there while I received Best Actor. I mean, I could not ask for more. It was just an absolutely unforgettable moment. And yeah, it's etched in my mind and in my heart forever and ever. And yeah, it's always exciting to collaborate with Filmfare because of this cinephile. I got a lot of love and appreciation for Jitesh because here is a man who truly loves cinema, you know, and that someone like me appreciates to a vast degree. So, Jitesh, let me say it publicly. I appreciate you. I appreciate you and your love for cinema, your passion for cinema.
Okay, moving on. One more question. Please tell me what kind of manic energy, what are you on when you do your fantastic performances like the Bappida tribute you paid last year?
I don't know what it is about performing live. It's electric. You know, the audience is right there and you're performing for them. You know, you're putting up a show, putting up a spectacle. And if in your heart, I believe my calling is to be an entertainer, to be a showman. And there's nothing more palpable than the energy of a live performance because your audience is right there. And if you want to evoke a reaction out of them or an emotion in them, it's there. The energy is it's in that space, you know. So live is another trip altogether. I don't know what happens to me. I really, once I'm on stage and there's an audience, it's like I go into some kind of trance. And you're never more in the moment than during a live performance. So that's what I love about it.
It's probably an unfair question to ask you, but which is your favorite performance of yours?
Of mine?
You have to pick up.
I don't know. Audience, my बाप audience की राय लेते हैं. आप बताओ, what is my best performance? Madam, आप, any preferences? None. She doesn't like me as an actor. I'm sorry. Nice. Thank you, ma'am. Multiplex audience, sir.
I second that, huh? I second that.
Really? Khilji. Khilji. My wife also loves Khilji. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, all, even, yaar, for me, all my performances are special, right? Because filmeं चलती है नहीं चलती है, some are liked, some are not liked, some are loved, some are hated. But you as a performer do your best and you do it with all honesty and 100%. So if you ask me, my performance in Kill Dil is also special to me. So yeah, it's just I could not choose between any performance. I'm just happy to have an opportunity to be a performer. I mean, I'm grew up wanting to be an actor, Hindi film hero, and here I am sitting on the dais with Jitesh Pillai, headlining the Filmfare Awards. क्या टाइम है, अपना टाइम आएगा. So yeah, it's going to be, I think it's going to be a good show.
So we'll quickly take 2 more questions on Filmfare, hopefully.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
Quick.
तू नंगा ही तो.
few, but
ओहो,
very quickly.
देखो किसका हाथ ऊपर गया सबसे पहले, सबसे बदमाश मस्तीखोर. पूछिए सर, पूछिए.
रणवीर जी, सबसे पहले तो आपको गली बॉय की ढेरों सारी बधाइयाँ.
Thank you,
फिल्म
sir.
अभी भी चल रही है और अभी
Thank
भी
you, sir.
हर किसी की जुबान पर अपना टाइम आएगा.
ये बा.
हाँ रणवीर जी, सवाल ये है कि जैसा कि आपने मिस्टर बच्चन की बात की, अभी
जी हाँ.
हाल ही में जब उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में बताया कि जब उन्हें बदला फिल्म में एक टाइटल ट्रैक करना था,
हाँ जी.
तो उन्होंने बताया कि सिंगिंग की दुनिया का उन्हें ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, लेकिन उन्होंने आपको गाते हुए देखा गली बॉय में, और तो उन्होंने आपके कुछ फुट स्टेप आपको फॉलो किया और थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने बदला में करने की कोशिश की. तो जब मिस्टर बच्चन आपके बारे में इस तरह से बोलते हैं, आपकी एक्टिंग को अप्रिसिएट करते हैं, तो एज एन एक्टर, एज एन ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या कुछ फील करते हैं आप?
यार मैं क्या बोलूं, जब से उन्होंने ये बात बोली है, पहले तो मेरे फैंस बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होके मुझे वो क्लिपिंग्स भेज रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. देखो देखो बच्चन साहब ने आपके बारे में क्या बोला, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मैं ये देख के कितना एक्साइटेड हो जाऊंगा. और वाकई में मैं हुआ. वो सबसे बड़े महानायक हैं और उनका सबसे बड़ा दिल है, इसलिए उन्होंने ऐसे बोला. लेकिन फैक्ट तो ये है कि यार अभी I'll paint a picture for you. Imagine a kid sitting on the floor watching a TV screen and there's just मतलब मैं बच्चन साहब को बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ और मेरा सपना था, मेरी दादी कहती थी तुझे बड़ा होके अमिताभ बच्चन बनना है, और मैं कितने भी जन्म ले लूँ मैं उनका तिनका भी नहीं होने वाला हूँ. लेकिन वो उनका बड़प्पन है, उन्होंने बोल दिया. फैक्ट तो ये है कि हम जो भी करते हैं उन्होंने बहुत साल पहले कर लिया था. उन्होंने सबसे पहले रैप कर लिया था. यार उनके जैसा कोई है नहीं, उनसे ज़्यादा महान कोई है नहीं. ये जो एक मिलेनियल टर्म निकला है ना, गोट, मैं मानता हूँ इज गोट, ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम. और every time you could say in a way, because the man is a large part of the reason I ever wanted to become a performer, become an actor. So in a way you can say every time I go out and perform, it's a tribute or a homage to Amitabh Bachchan.
एंड रणवीर जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है मेरा कि हाल ही में दीपिका जी ने भी आपके बारे में एक इंटरव्यू में, मतलब फिल्म फेयर का ही अवार्ड था,
क्या कहा
उन्होंने ये कहा कि शादी के बाद कुछ एक प्रतिबंध आपके ऊपर लगा दिया, जैसे कि घर से निकलना है तो खाना खा के जाना है, ये कंपलसरी होगा, और आप कहीं भी कुछ भी शूट कर रहे हैं तो आपको उनका फोन उठाना जरूरी है.
हाँ जी, तो मैं तो शॉट के बीच में फेस टाइम उठा लेता
तो मतलब
वीडियो कॉल.
और क्या क्या उन्होंने कुछ प्रतिबंध और क्या क्या लगाए हैं, और अगर आप मुझे कुछ हमें बता सकें, अगर आप.
कितने प्यारे प्रतिबंध हैं उनके.
आप कितना फॉलो कर पाते हैं इन सारी चीजों को?
मैं बंद गया हूँ गृहस्थी में. मैं तो मतलब टाइम से उठना, टाइम पे खाना खाना, टाइम पे काम पे पहुंचना, टाइम पे घर जाना, टाइम पे सोना. आह क्या सुधर गया है लड़का, क्या सुधर गया है. और मैं कहता हूं तू सुधार, मुझे तू सुधार, लगा तू प्रतिबंध पे प्रतिबंध. सब द बेस्ट थिंग दैट एवर हैपेंड टू मी भाई, ऑनेस्टली. घर आई लक्ष्मी, है कि नहीं. जय झूलेलाल.
Yeah, thank you. Go ahead, go ahead.
सर मेरा सवाल आपसे जितेश सर, do you not think photojournalists should be rewarded in Filmfare Award? They work day and night like women journalists, photojournalists. Do you not think this category should be there?
So I think Filmfare Award is largely acting awards, and journalism is is a different field, and there are far other forums which award journalists. So I don't.
I'm talking about photojournalists.
Even
work
photojournalism,
hard.
it's not about acting. The Filmfare is the acting award. You give awards to acting. If I were to give a photojournalist, I'd probably give myself an award then, because I think I've taken some damn good photos as a rookie reporter. So I don't think this is actually the podium to take award photojournalists. Filmfare Awards, Bollywood.
All right. Quickly to the next one, please. हाथ तो उठाए, कोई हाथ नहीं उठा रहा. No more
एक
questions?
बात बताओ सर, आप बाल कटाने मैकेनिक के पास जाते हैं? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट
Do we have a
कोई
question?
है जी? देखो सब चाहते हैं सुमित जी ही सवाल करें. अरे सुमित जी आइए.
गुड इवनिंग रणवीर.
पूछ लो सर, क्यों इतना फुटेज खा रहे हो? लोगों को घर जाना है, खाना खाना है यार. डिनर टाइम हो गया, पूछो ना.
कोई इंतजार कर रहा है?
मेरा तो हो रहा है, आपका नहीं पता.
रणवीर, being part of the film industry
जी हाँ.
and man who has established himself, आपको क्या लगता है what's your responsibility as an actor and as a citizen of India now?
What is my responsibility? Look, I believe my calling in life is to be an entertainer. So I believe that the best thing I can do with myself is fulfill what I believe is my purpose in life, and that is to do my best to entertain people. When it comes to being a responsible citizen, I think I am. And yeah, I met the Prime Minister recently, and we had a very pleasant meeting. We apprised him what we as young members of the film fraternity are doing. And he had something to say to us, which was that if possible, we should choose content that has in it a message of inclusive India and unity. And I was very happy to report to him that my very next film, the one that I am going to shoot next, 83, is one such film, you know, where it is truly Team India. You know, you have gentlemen from all across the country coming together to make the nation proud. A really extraordinary underdog story that I'm very, very happy and proud to be a part of. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. And with this, we close
Yeah,
the Q&A.